I just had to screw on high fuck, I got a bro with me. I don't even wanna get the hit, that bitch can't go with me. In a different city, guess what? I got the Simi with me. Try to run off with that pack, we hit your.
Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy YK Adrian. We back with another video. I just got my hair cut. And today, we're just gonna be doing spending the weekend with me. So y'all gonna come with me for probably gonna start recording on Saturday for real. On the way to my homeboy job, I'm finna pull up on him, see what his ass doing. And I'm gonna hit y'all when we get up there. Bro, why you not working, dude? Nigga not doing his job.
What is up, man?
Bro, you supposed to be working, nigga. You ain't supposed to be on no break.
I'm on lunch. Man, I come at 3:30.
3:30. What time you went on break?
2 o'clock. I can push.
Oh yeah, you're getting
Time
fired.
adjustment. Time adjustment. I don't give a damn, man. But you know how many points I got, bro?
How many points you got?
Almost 4 points.
How many you can get?
I can't get more than 6. I didn't even know I had points, bro.
No.
I don't do shit. That's the crazy part about it. It's just cause.
So what you got points for?
They don't let nobody know shit.
Oh, they finna get rid of your
Oh,
ass.
I'm gonna fuck Walmart up till they try that shit. Cause I'm finna go. But later on, I'm gonna ask them I got these points, but cause hell no, I'm like.
Yeah, they.
Yeah, this bitch I'm finna ride this shit. I don't think they gonna let me record, so y'all might not see it. What? They got a little fast. We don't put on seatbelt. I'm finna crash this bitch. I love you. I ain't putting on. That nigga finna crash for real, y'all, boy. This shit slow as fuck, bro. I ain't fucking with this damn golf cart. No.
Yo, YouTube, it's the next day. I ain't record like that yesterday, which I was supposed to. So why you ain't remind me? I got this non-driving person got me in this little fishbowl car.
It's not a fishbowl.
Everybody can see me in here.
Okay, like,
AJ, you can see me through this car?
Huh?
You can see me through this car?
Yeah.
In the fishbowl. But yeah, we finna go to the mall and get go to the mall to get my niece mama a gift for her birthday. And I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the mall. Yo, we at the mall. Something to turn this on. I'm gonna try to find a shirt or these flared sweatpants. What do you think I should get one from Sonic Club, man?
Can you feed me?
I don't care.
Appreciate
We
it, man.
just got here though.
I know.
Always hungry and want something.
Did y'all call me? Y'all left the house. You want to come? Y'all turn right back around.
You act like you weren't ready. You was in the bed. So what I'm supposed to do? And you said you was going somewhere too. Let's go to another store. I'm back. We left the mall because I really ain't find nothing. And there was no help. And she still got the bag. She came to return. How the fuck you go to the mall to return something and can't return it? But where you finna go?
Walmart.
Thought you was eating.
we just want a mountain dew.
You just want something to drink? What is your car? Turn the alarm on. I don't think we parked this far. I ain't gonna lie.
She don't got no alarm.
You ain't got no alarm on your keys?
I do. We parked over there for one.
Well,
We parked over here.
Your button not even working.
oh, what's wrong with your key fob?
Y'all know it's broke. Don't even get on there and try to work.
Look at him. Give him a bite. Give him a bite. You a fat ass nigga. You know that. All you love is food. Little big and hungry little dude. Why you ain't get no food?
I don't want Popeyes.
You angry because your jailbird ain't call you? I don't put your business right there. I would edit it out, but I ain't even good at editing for it.
This is very out of pocket.
Man, they in here playing at Walmart trying to buy some shoes. Got my white tees. I buy white tees almost every day and lose every single one of them. So I'm gonna continue to keep buying them. Y'all not getting that, man, them sandals. Y'all look like they trying to get their photos. They trying to get by these. Go ahead and buy them. Get you a pair to the match with them for them.
Hell no.
You ain't gonna wear them with them? That's fucked up. So how you like?
He like his toes out. I don't.
You gonna wear?
Ain't that right, Kenny?
Correct.
Dude, shut up. You know who be wearing these?
Who?
I ain't gonna say that.
Who?
inside my car is clean. Finna do the outside. I'ma just
Want some money, get up off your ass and go and take the risk. Having bags all on the interstate, I took the risk again. Bro, they say I'm tripping, told them I just want the Benjamin. Get rich or die trying, live my life just like I'm 50 Cent. Walking through the door, mama told me scamming on the news. Told I ain't tripping, how the fuck you think I got these jewels? Take the risk, just get rich, shit, that's just what I do. 10K in 5 minutes, shit, I just hear the truest. Risk taker, live life, make money.
what he bit too clean. Did that mama shit too. We finna get something to eat though a little later, so I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the crib, take a shower and all that stuff. Get it. Working hard, man?
Trying.
But I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the crib and change and all that stuff. With the guys. What y'all getting, bro?
I don't know, bro.
Big Splat getting a big meal.
You already know it.
Getting a big meal. I don't even know what That's your twin right there, ain't it? You grew a little bit, that was your twin. Low key.
The water. You gotta stay hydrated.
You gonna drink that like you be eating ass. That man just brought a biscuit. It good, bro? Rate that thing 1 through 10.
What? Oh my god.
You a big ass nigga, man.
1 through 10, OG. 1 through 10.
10 out of 10. Don't grab another one, that's only 4. Don't grab another one, that's only 4. Man, nigga, what the hell is you doing?
I'm gonna slap the head. Yeah, you get that shit, man.
Big ass. You do too much. Go ahead, look through the menu again. Knowing you already know what you want.
That's the fried shrimp.
Yeah, that's the Walt's favorite right there.
Yeah. You can choose 2, right?
Yeah.
Let me get that one, and let me y'all look Alfredo good.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me get those 2. After that first Alfredo,
Wait.
I'ma just go. After that first Alfredo, I'ma just start going to the Waltz.
Okay.
So it's just it's one order of that, and then my choice is gonna be the mac. I think a macaroni.
Bacon, mac and cheese?
Yeah. Hold. Cause is that more?
Yeah.
Big dog, why you had to hit me like that? Big dog. Nah, let me just do fries, I guess. You got ranch?
Rent? Yeah, I
Yeah,
get it.
let me get fries and ranch.
I got
I wanted that, but actually, you only gonna give me a little bit of bowl.
it. Yeah, bro.
It's like a little bit of bowl, probably about that high. Then y'all put a little swirl kind of noodles in them, put a little crisp bacon on top. Nah, I don't want that.
Bro, you know how they do their whole meal, dude. But you know you owe him money, right? Talk about so you ain't gonna eat. That nigga
No, you
lying.
didn't.
You said, oh, God.
You did like this.
Look, let's check them out, baby.
No, cause you did like this. I can call it. I can tell the cat's mine.
But I'm gonna ride you, bitch.
But that's gonna be the end of this little weekend vlog.
Hold on.
Nigga, don't tell me to hold on because your big ass wanna take another bite of some biscuits, dude.
I can't pick up my phone.
That's gonna be the end of this video, and I'm gonna catch y'all with the next.